Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are quite well, happy and healthy. My today video is for the students of English Part 1 and this video is on the life of Jane Austen. Jane Austen was born on 16 December 1775 in Steventon, the county of Hampshire. Her father was the rector of the parish. He migrated to Bath after his retirement. We do not know much about her early life. What we know about her early life through the biographical notice of the author written by her brother Henry Austen. We come to know about her two love affairs and flirtation. We also know about her beloved sister Cassandra. She was not only her sister but also her lifelong friend. She was not much educated, but she began to read good and bad novels of different writers even when she was only 9 years old. And she began to write burlesque to entertain her family when she was only 14 years old. Her brother Henry Austen says their father had much role to give her literary taste. When we talk about her works, she did not write much, only her early burlesque she wrote for the entertainment of her family, and she wrote 6 novels. Her first 3 novels are Sense and Sensibility, Pride and Prejudice, and North Angerby. Her last 3 novels are much serious in tone, and these last 3 novels are Mansfield Park, Emma and Persuasion. Emma is considered her masterpiece and Persuasion was published after her death. When we talk about her characteristics as a writer, she had much skill and mastery in narrative art and irony. We can see irony in her novels through the dialogues of her characters. She used dramatic tone in her novels and she was well aware of characteristics of drama, climax and anticlimax we can see in her novels. She used indirectment, realism and simplicity are characteristic of her writings. She had her own limitation in her themes and many critics criticized her limitation. She was also aware of her limitation in themes and she acknowledged her limitations. When we talk about her limitations, she was not aware of political or economic turmoil of her day. That was a time when the Napoleonic War and American Civil Independence War was there, but we cannot see any explanation or depiction of her times, revolutions, political or economic turmoil in her writings. Because she did not interpret life, what she observed in her surrounding, she depicted in her novels. We do not see any philosophical view in her novels. Many critics criticize her theme is money, but we do not have any evidence of this accusation and criticism in her writings. On one hand, she is on the peak of subjectivity, but on the other hand, she is on the peak of objectivity. Subjectivity and objectivity are her characteristics in her novels. Charlotte Bronte criticized her much, but William Wordsworth admired her much. She was in the age of first romantic poet of French Revolution. William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, Hegel were her contemporary writers. Fielding and Richardson were also her contemporary novelists, but we do not have any influence of their writings in her novels. She liked Dr. Johnson in prose and Cowper in poetry. She did not write much because she died on early age when she was only 42 years old. She died for incurable disease, and she gave her last breath into the arms of her beloved sister Cassandra, telling her what she wants only to die. She died on 18th July 1817. Students, I hope this video will help you to prepare university questions on the novel Pride and Prejudice. My next video will be on the novel Pride and Prejudice written by Jane Austen. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press bell icon so that you have my new upcoming video on time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah.